Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you add bio in your Binance Square. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to do that, just simply open your Binance application and tap to this yellow Binance icon into the top left corner. Tap into that option and then you have to choose Square from this page. Tap to Square and select your profile picture into the bottom right corner. Tap there and then you will get to see your profile of Binance. Now you just simply have to select your profile, and after that you will get to see this page. Now into here, tap to edit button, and after tapping into edit you will get to see bio option directly. Tap to bio and after that you can add a bio. Just simply write down your bio and then tap to save button into the top right corner, and your bio will successfully be added. This way you can very easily add a bio into your Binance Square. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.